Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Easy English Daily, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Olivia.
Hello, Olivia, and hello, everyone. It's wonderful to be here with you today. I'm Jack.
We hope you're doing well today. And if you're feeling tired, don't worry, you're not alone.
That's right. Today's conversation is about work, tiredness, daily life, and finding energy through nature.
So let's jump right into our conversation. I am so tired today.
Me too. Work was really busy.
Yes, very busy. I sat all day at my desk and now my back hurts so much.
Same here. Office life can be very exhausting. Sitting for hours is not good for the body.
Exactly. I feel stiff, tired, and honestly, a little stressed.
We really need some fresh air.
Yes, we need to go out and breathe.
Actually, I have an idea.
Oh, what is your idea?
Tomorrow is Saturday.
That's true. We're free tomorrow.
Let's go hiking.
Hiking? Really?
Yes, we can go early and see the sunrise.
That sounds romantic, but also very early.
Come on, we can do it. Early to bed, early to rise.
Okay. I agree. I really want to see nature again.
Great. Let's set the alarm.
What time?
4 o'clock.
4? That is crazy.
Trust me, it will be worth it.
All right. Good night then.
Good night, honey.
Oh no, what is that sound?
It's the alarm. Please turn it off.
It's 4 o'clock already?
Yes, it's time to get up.
It's too early. It's still dark outside.
We have to get up now.
I just want 5 more minutes. The bed is so warm.
No, if we sleep more, we'll be late.
I don't want to hike anymore.
Remember the sunrise. Remember the fresh air.
Yes, I remember.
Come on, wake up. 1, 2, 3, up.
Okay. I'm up. This is very hard.
You can do it. I believe in you.
Where is my toothbrush?
It's by the sink.
I can't even open my eyes.
Wash your face first. That always helps.
Oh, wow, the water's so cold.
Good. Cold water wakes you up.
Do we have toothpaste?
Yes, you can use mine.
Thanks.
Brush your teeth quickly. We don't have much time.
I'm brushing as fast as I can.
Look in the mirror.
Oh no, I look like a panda.
You look beautiful.
You're lying.
No, really, you look great.
All right, my face is clean now. I feel a little better. Let's pack the bag.
Good idea. What do we need?
We need a flashlight.
Here it is.
Do we have water?
Yes, 2 bottles.
I want hot water too.
The thermos is full.
Perfect. How about food?
I have some bread and a few chocolate bars.
That's perfect for energy.
Where is the outdoor mat?
By the door.
Put it in the bag.
Okay, done. Wait, let's check the weather.
It's cold outside.
Then I'll wear my thick jacket.
Good idea.
Are we ready to go?
Yes, let's go.
It's so dark outside.
Yes, it's pitch black. The city's still sleeping.
The streets are empty. It feels strange, but peaceful.
I really like this quietness. No noise, no rush.
Are you sleepy?
A little bit. How are you?
I was sleepy, but now I feel more awake.
Do you want some coffee?
No, I'm fine. Driving usually wakes me up.
Look at the sky.
Wow, look at the stars. They're so bright.
We don't see them often because we're always busy.
That's true. Work, phones, screens. We forget to look up.
Exactly. Moments like this are special.
I'm starting to feel excited now.
Me too. This was a good idea.
How far is the mountain?
About 10 minutes from here.
I can already see it.
Yes, it looks high, doesn't it?
Can we really climb that?
Of course, step by step.
Okay, I trust you.
We'll go slowly, no rush.
Are we ready to start?
Yes, let's begin.
Let's walk slowly first.
Good idea. We need to warm up our bodies.
We can walk faster later.
Exactly, when our bodies adapt.
This feels really good already.
The air is so fresh.
It makes me feel calm and relaxed.
Nature always does that.
Do you remember the last time we went hiking?
Yes, it was a long time ago.
Too long. I really missed this.
Me too. Being in nature feels different.
It clears my mind.
And it gives us energy.
Use the flashlight here.
Okay, the path is a little steep.
Wait for me, please.
Of course. Are you okay?
My legs are starting to hurt.
Take a deep breath.
I'm out of breath already.
That's normal. We just started.
Can we stop for a minute?
Sure, let's rest here.
I really need some water.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Drink slowly.
Honestly, I kind of want to go back.
Already?
I feel tired and it's still dark.
Don't give up now.
But my legs hurt.
Look up there.
Is that the top?
Yes, we're almost there.
Really?
Just a little more.
Okay, let's keep going.
That's the spirit.
I'm pushing myself.
You're doing great,
This is harder than I expected.
but you're stronger than you think.
I hope so.
I know so.
My breathing is getting better.
See, your body is adapting.
You were right.
Slow and steady wins.
I can see the sky changing color.
Yes, the sun will rise soon.
That gives me motivation.
That's why we came.
I think we made it.
Yes, we're at the top.
I can't believe it.
You did an amazing job.
No, we did it together.
That's true. Teamwork.
I'm really proud of us.
You should be. You didn't give up.
Thank you for pushing me.
You were stronger than you thought.
Let's sit here for a moment.
Good idea. Use the mat.
My legs are tired, but in a good way.
That's the best kind of tired.
I feel accomplished.
You earned this moment.
Look at the horizon.
The sun is coming.
The sky is changing colors.
It's turning gold.
Wait, there it is.
Wow.
It's spectacular.
Absolutely beautiful.
I feel so happy right now.
Me too. This feeling is special.
All the tiredness is gone.
That's the power of nature.
Was it worth waking up at 4?
Totally worth it.
I agree, 100%. This feels like a fresh start.
A start to a beautiful day.
And maybe a healthier life.
Yes, more movement, more fresh air,
Less stress.
and more moments like this.
Are you still tired?
No, I feel energized now.
Me too. My body feels alive.
Sometimes the hardest starts bring the best endings.
That's true.
I'm glad we didn't stay in bed.
Me too. Let's enjoy this moment quietly.
Yes, just us, the sun, and the mountain.
Happy sunrise.
Happy sunrise.
And thank you for watching Easy English Daily.
We hope you enjoyed this real-life English conversation.
If you liked this video, please like and subscribe.
And keep practicing English every day.
See you in the next video.
Bye for now.